In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the old classic whiteboard on Zoom. If you're looking to bring back that familiar whiteboard experience for your Zoom meetings, you've come to the right place. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through a simple process that takes less than 5 minutes from start to finish. So whether you're hosting a virtual class, a team brainstorming session, or just want a place to jot down thoughts during a meeting, the Zoom whiteboard can be a great tool. Let's kick things off by opening Zoom on your computer. If you haven't already installed Zoom, make sure to download it from the official Zoom website and get signed in with your credentials. Once you've got Zoom up and running, the next step is to create or join a Zoom meeting. You can do this easily from the main Zoom interface. Just click on New Meeting to start your own session or choose an existing meeting invitation that you'd like to join. With your meeting underway, you'll want to navigate to the bottom of your Zoom window. Among the various options available, you'll see a button labeled Share Screen. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where you'll be able to select from various options, including your entire desktop, individual windows, and more. But what we're interested in today is getting that classic whiteboard back. In the window that opens up after clicking Share Screen, you'll notice an option labeled Whiteboard. Selecting this allows you to access the simple, classic whiteboard interface that Zoom provides. Once you click on Whiteboard, just hit the Share button. This action effectively pulls up a blank canvas that you and others in your meeting can use to draw, write, and collaborate in real time. Now that you have the whiteboard open, you're ready to start using it. You'll find a range of basic drawing tools available, perfect for jotting down notes, sketching out ideas, or engaging in collaborative activities. Anything you draw or write can be seen by all participants in the meeting, which makes this tool particularly useful for visualizing complex concepts or mapping out group discussions. And there you have it, folks. You've now successfully brought up the old classic whiteboard in your Zoom meeting. Just remember, using the whiteboard is as easy as sharing your screen, so feel free to revisit this process whenever you need to bring that extra level of interaction to your virtual meetings. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks on improving your virtual meeting experiences. Have a great day and happy Zooming.